In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll feel comfortable navigating and operating this powerful communication tool. So grab your device and let's get started. First off, you'll want to open Google Meet. You can either use the Google Meet app if you're on a mobile device or simply type meet.google.com into your web browser. Both options will take you to the main Google Meet page where you can begin joining or creating calls. If you need to join a meeting, look for the button labeled Join a Meeting. Clicking this will prompt you to enter a meeting code or link. This code is typically provided by the meeting organizer, so make sure you have it ready. Once you've entered the code, click Join Now and you'll be ushered into the meeting space. Now, if you're hosting a meeting or just want to start a new session, you'll want to click on New Meeting. This action generates a unique meeting link. Make sure to copy this link so you can easily share it with others via email or any messaging platform you prefer. Once your participants have the link, all they need to do is click on it to join your meeting. When you're ready, click Join Now to officially begin the call. During the meeting, you'll notice several important features that can enhance your experience. At the bottom of your screen, you have access to audio and video controls. These allow you to turn your microphone and camera on or off as needed. This is particularly useful if you need to pause for any reason or improve your connection. Screen sharing is an invaluable tool within Google Meet, especially for presentations or collaborative work. To share your screen, select the Share Screen option. You'll then be prompted to choose which window or tab you wish to present. This feature makes it easy for everyone to follow along with whatever you're working on. Text communication is also available through the chat feature. This can be handy for sharing links, asking questions, or making comments without interrupting the speaker. Just type your message and it will appear for everyone to see. Lastly, to keep track of active participants, use the participants list. Here you can see everyone currently attending the meeting, as well as their audio and video statuses. It's an essential tool for larger meetings, and there you have it, a complete guide to using Google Meet for beginners. With these steps, you'll be able to navigate the platform with ease, whether you're joining or hosting a meeting. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find great success with Google Meet. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.